How to request a withdrawal in PrizePicks. If you want to request a withdrawal in PrizePicks, if I go to the official help section of PrizePicks as to the withdrawing funds option, this says that you can request a withdrawal to a bank account. To request a withdrawal, you can simply go to this URL, which is app.prizepicks.com/login. So you first also want to make sure to log into your PrizePicks account from there. Once you've done that, you can request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Now, to request it, you can also navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks app. And if you are accessing your account in a browser, the menu is in the top right hand side after you log into your account. From there, you can select the request withdrawal option to request a withdrawal. You will also receive an OTP by email as soon as you request a withdrawal. Once you verify, your withdrawal will be processed. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.